Namaste Sada Vatsale Matrubhume. I am Dr. Ravikant. Today I am going to speak about or introduce you to integral humanism, an analysis of some basic elements written by Dayal Upadhyay. Dayal Upadhyay should be remembered by the current generation of students as well as people who are interested to take their careers in political field. I'm going to discuss about the concept of unity that has been well balancedly shared by Dayal Upadhyay to all of us. When we talk about unity, we hear about the famous quote on India which says that India is united in diversity. When we talk about diversity, we stress mostly on how India is diverse with respect to the language, with respect to the religion, with respect to the creed, with respect to the ideologies of life. But most of us have forgotten the most important element in the quotation, which is the unity side of it. Very few people from times immemorial has really gone into the depth of understanding what unity really means. Unfortunately, unity has been given to us with negative shades. I'll just give you some examples of how the unity has been given to us by foreign invasions negatively. So when we talk about China attacking India or Pakistan attacking India, then the national sentiment in India goes to the apex, to the peak. So does that mean India is united only during wars or catastrophes or conflicts? It should not be, as a matter of fact. On the lighter side of it also, when we see the current young generation beaming their eyes towards cricket matches between India, Australia, or India, Pakistan, there is a lot of patriotic feelings that arise in themselves. That does not mean that India is united only during wars or India is united during some national games. But the sentiment has to be carried forward in other walks of life also when everything is fine. There is an English saying which says that nations die in peace whereas they are alive during war. So that does not mean that we as a nation are not alive during other days when everything is normal. Hence, it is important that not only during wars or not only during adverse times, the sentiment of patriotic feeling should come forward, but it is important that each one of us as Indians should really think, feel, and act from the point of view of nationalistic principles as to how we can basically place the Indianness in our thoughts, in our behaviors, so that the indigenous indigenous brilliance of India that has been given to us since times immemorial can be passed on to the next generations. So all those things can be understood through integral humanism, and I suggest the young generation to really go through the critical analysis of the integral humanism that has been propounded by none other than Dayal Upadhyay. Thank you very much.